How to use ChatGPT to write and sell ebooks that makes passive income. I am going to tell you everything you need to know in this video. Look, you don't need to stress yourself looking for special ideas. You see that thing that you know how to do very well? It's an idea, and people are sincerely looking for who can teach them, and of course they are ready to learn. So if you can use ChatGPT to write an ebooks that talk about it, you will make money by selling it on autopilot. So right here in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to write and sell ebooks that generate passive income, even if you've never written a book before. From ideation to publication, I'll take you through the entire process. Watch till the end to discover how to create your own ebook empire and start earning royalties while you sleep. And like I said before, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to write, design, publish, and sell ebooks that bring you passive income while you sleep, even if you've never written anything before. Hey there, welcome back to Hannah's Digital Wealth Academy, where I help you build online income streams, grow your digital business, and escape financial struggles, only one smart move at a time. In today's video, we're strictly going deep into one of the easiest but most powerful AI side hustles out there, using ChatGPT to create and sell ebooks. I will show you how to tell ChatGPT to help you to write the script, package it, and at the same time give you practical guide on how to sell them. So come with me, let's go. And before you roll your eyes and think, but Hannah, isn't the ebook market already too crowded? Let me tell you this. The ebook industry is worth over $17 billion and still growing. People are constantly looking for digital books that solve real problems, and now with AI, you don't even have to be a writer to profit from it. So grab a notebook, because this video is going to feel like a free masterclass, from idea to publishing to making consistent sales. We'll break this into 6 major chapters, each building on the last, just like a real coaching session. Chapter 1. Start here. Most people spend their days consuming, reading ebooks, watching videos, scrolling endlessly. But what if you flipped the script and became the creator instead? That's the mindset of digital wealth. Instead of paying for content, you create content that pays you. I started exactly where you are. No writing skills, no design experience, just curiosity and a phone. But when I discovered ChatGPT, everything changed. It was like having a writing assistant that never sleeps. So if you've been procrastinating because you think writing an ebook is too hard, stay with me. You'll see how simple this becomes once we put ChatGPT to work. Chapter 2. How to use ChatGPT to write an ebook, step by step. Alright, let's get into the juicy part where we can actually write the ebook with ChatGPT. Step 1. Choose a profitable topic, and like I said before, you don't need a fancy niche. You just need a pain point people are searching for. Think weight loss, relationships, side hustles, mindset, parenting, or finance. Here's a trick. Go to Amazon's bestsellers ebooks and look at what's trending, or search on Google, best ebook topics for this year. Then pick the nicest one and high-paying one people are already paying for. If you find how to make passive income with AI tools trending, that's gold. Step 2. Create an outline with ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT and type this. Create a detailed outline for an ebook titled How to Make Passive Income Using AI Tools. ChatGPT will instantly generate chapters, subtopics, and even tips for each one. You can refine it by saying, make it beginner, friendly, and conversational. Boom, your entire structure is ready. Step 3 is to generate each chapter. So this is what you should do. Tell ChatGPT again to write Chapter 1 in a friendly, story-driven tone, with practical examples and step-by-step explanations. You can do this for every chapter, edit lightly for flow, and by the end, you'll have a polished draft. That's not writing, that's smart creation. You're building assets, not just content. Chapter 3. Designing a beautiful ebook, even if you're not a designer. Your ebook needs to look as good as it reads. Don't worry, you don't need Photoshop or design skills. Just go to canva.com, search for ebook templates, and choose one that matches your vibe. Upload your ChatGPT text, adjust fonts, add images or icons, and boom, you've got a professional-looking ebook. You can even use AI inside Canva to rewrite, restyle, or summarize your text. And the best part? You can download your finished ebook as a PDF ready to sell. Now let's talk about where the real money will be gushing in. Chapter 4. Where and how to sell your ebook for passive income. As I'm talking to you like this, there are multiple ways to sell your ebook, and we're not just talking about Amazon Kindle, only I will give you options so you can choose the best one that suits you. So let's go. Option 1 is Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. It's free to publish, and Amazon handles everything from payment to delivery. You earn royalties every time someone buys or downloads your ebook. If you want to sell directly to your followers, use Seller or Payhip. This platform allows you to upload your ebook, set your price, and connect your payment method. I've seen creators that make $200 to $1,000 monthly just selling simple 20-30 page guides on Seller. Option 3 is Gumroad or Etsy. If you love the idea of marketing on social media, Gumroad and Etsy work beautifully. You can link your store right in your bio, post reels, and make sales from your content. But here's the secret. The real profit isn't just from one ebook, it's from a system. Don't worry, I will tell you everything here. Chapter 5 is building an automated ebook sales system. This is where beginners stop and professionals grow rich. Instead of posting once and hoping people buy, create a simple automation system that sells your ebook 24/7. Here's the formula. 1. First, create a lead magnet where you offer a free mini guide or checklist version of your ebook. 2. Is landing page. Use tools like System.io or ConvertKit to collect emails. 3. Email sequence. Email used to work perfectly too. Remember, ChatGPT is our assistant here, so locate ChatGPT again to write 5-7 follow-up emails that build trust and lead to your paid ebook. 4. Is traffic, and you can drive people from YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook Reels to your free guide. Once it's set up, your ebook becomes a digital asset working for you even while you sleep. And, if you want to take it further, ChatGPT can even help you create your next product. Chapter 6 is scaling beyond one ebook. Yeah, you can turn your ebook business into a brand. Nice option. Now that you've learned how to write and sell one ebook, imagine having a series. You can create a collection: AI tools for beginners, AI tools for freelancers, AI tools for content creators. Each book feeds into the next. Bundle them, upsell them, or turn them into online courses. That's how real digital wealth is built, stacking small wins into long-term income. And guess what? Every single step can be assisted by ChatGPT, from writing to sales emails to social media captions. If you got value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Hannah's Digital Wealth Academy, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tutorial. And if you're ready to start your own ebook business, check the first link in the description. I've added my free AI ebook starter kit with prompts, templates, and tools to get you started fast. Also, drop a comment below and tell me, what topic would you write your first ebook about? I'll reply and maybe even help you refine it. Remember, every ebook you publish is a piece of your digital legacy. You don't need to be a best-selling author to create something valuable. You just need to start. So open that ChatGPT now, take action, and build your first stream of digital wealth today. This is Hannah from Digital Wealth Academy, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating, keep believing, and keep building your freedom.